Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix some settings are managed by your system administrator in Windows 11, 10. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.